Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Vani. In this video, I am just going to unbox the Android phone that is the Comio C1. I have just bought it from the offline market. So we'll just do the unboxing of this phone. So first of all, you will just see in the left side of the box here is written Comio support 1 year plus 100 days extra warranty. Here you get the 30 days replacement. If any damage happen to your Android phone, then it can be just replaced. Here is the buyback offer, and here you also get the screen breakage warranty with the upgrade offer. Here you find that is the 8 megapixel autofocus camera with the flash at the back. Here are some specifications in the back of the box. I will just make the official video for the specifications of the Comio C1. Here it is the logo of Made in India, which is very good. Here you find the metal frame and hi-fi music. After that, in the back, in the downside here you get the price, that is the just focusing it. Here is the price, that is 6,999, but I have just brought it in the 5,500. So in this video I am just going to do the unboxing of the Comio C1. So let's start the video. So first of all, I am just breaking the seal. Okay, I have just broken the seal. Now I am just opening the phone. Oh, in the front and you got the phone. I am just opening it. I am putting the phone in the side and I just see what are the box contents again. There is nothing. So here what we get, so let's see. So here you get this many things. We will just see what are they. It's nothing in the box now. So here you get the one typical silicone case for the Comio C1 phone. After that, here you get the user guide and the warranty card. Here is the user guide, you can just read it. After that, here you get the screen protector for the Comio C1, which protect your phone from the scratches only. So we will just put all this aside and just make the focus on the box contents again. What are they? So here you get the charger. You will see it is the shiny one charger. I am just looking the rating of this phone. So here you get the rating output, that is 5 volts and 1000 milliampere, which means 5 volts and 1 ampere. Means it is a slow charger as compared to the normal charger only. So here you get the cable, which is USB type A to micro USB. So here you can just connect it very easily and can charge your phone. Okay, so the next content, box content, here you just get here the earphone. Here the earphone body is very good. I just like it. It just gives the professional look. It is long earphones. So we will just put all the box contents here and we will just see the Comio C1 smartphone. So it is a smartphone. Here I will just tell you the all things. So in the back side you just get the 8 megapixel back camera with the flashlight. You just get here in the white color. Here you get the 3.5 mm audio jack. Here you get the micro USB slot for the charging option. In the right side you get nothing. It can be just open by this opening. You can just open. Here is the battery and it is the hybrid phone. Here you get the hybrid phone SIM slot. Here are the volume blockers and just a power on off button. In the back side you just get the speaker, which is hi-fi music. You just get here. Here you get the antenna bands and here is the microphone. So this is a phone. Now I'm just booting up Comio. It is just available in the offline market only. Its main aim product is on the offline market only. Okay friends, I have just set up the Android phone totally, means the first boot up has been just done. I have installed some apps also, so we'll just check the all the things. So here I just open the phone. Here you get this type of interface and just swiping to right. We'll just go to the about phone and see the all the things, the specifications. I'm just going to the settings and just going to the about phone. So as you can see here, you get the 1 GB RAM and 2200 mAh battery. Here you get the 1 GB RAM and the ROM is 32 GB. Here you get the Android version, that is 7.0 Android version, which is good Nougat one. Here the security patch is 5th January 2018. So here is the, if I just go to the system update, the system update is just available for this. So the size is 286 MB, which is the official version. So this is the only unboxing of the phone Comio C1 in the 2018 year, which is of the only 5500. If you just want to buy this phone, then please contact me. Just write down in the comment section that I want to buy this phone. I will give the phone to you, and with the 5500 price, and the real price and the MRP is just 7000, as you can just see. So we'll just check the camera of this phone. So here you get the, just see. So here you get just the natural colors only. You get some brighter photos. Okay, so we'll just here we just do the one photo again. So I have just captured the photo of the charger only, as you can just see. Here you get the bokeh effect also. Here is, you can just see, here is the video mode, photo mode, beauty mode, and the last is bokeh effect. In the bokeh effect you get just portrait mode like this. We'll just see the portrait mode. Okay, as you can see, though I have just captured the portrait modes. Mean the bokeh effect, it is good one, means the main concentration on the object only, main focus, but it is not too good much, as we can just see. So here you also get the HDR mode in the photo, HDR mode, flashlight, and the various filters you just get here. You can just select soft glow, focus, dew, above, known, cool color, old photo, fish eye, and black and white photo. You just get here the options. If you just see the back camera, which is of the 8 megapixel, which gives you the best photos, here it is of the 8 megapixel. Here you get the flashlight also, and if you just see the notification bar, which is very good of the Android 7, it gives you somewhat of the stock Android, means it is the OS, another OS of the Comio, but it is good one. As you can see, here are the some installed app, that is the 360 security. It is the installed app, pre-installed app from the Comio C1. Here you can just boost it. So this is the phone. I will give all the specifications of this phone. I will make the another video for it. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And at last, thank you for watching this video of the unboxing of the Comio C1.